Are we going to race test?
Yeah, it's there.
10 seconds down.
Has anybody got a pocket calculator?
No.
Have you got a pocket calculator?
What?
Pocket calculator.
I have, yeah.
All right, Martin.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Taking off.
Get the speed up on the ground, we'll have a chat with launch.
Cut!
Suspects with their big floats. That's what it helps again. So normally flying, you probably shut off the power as you level it up.
27 seconds.
No, if it's wheels, when the wheels lift off, give him his 10 seconds and then tell him to cut. Right? If it's unlaunched, immediately let's go of it, 10 seconds and tell him to cut.
Yeah.
And then you carry on timing. And then if he's up to 1.5,
Let's stop it on the deck.
when it touches the deck.
It's out of hands or off the floor. I can manage that. I can do that.
Right, start from the moment it leaves his hand, yeah?
Just tell me again how much it's up.
10 seconds, then shout to him, cut.
Whoa! Oh!
Aerobatics as well.
What happened to 10 seconds? Cut! Bloody hell. Didn't get up very high, did I? Alright, well, you're coming down fast.
I'll tell you what, it will glide though, Pete. It'll glide better than John's.
It'd be better than looking. Stall it.
Keep it on going. It's alright, you're doing alright there, Pete. Keep it going.
Down bottom at field. Keep going down, Pete.
Keep it up. Keep the wings level.
35 seconds. That's not bad. Get 2 pints of lager while you're there, please.
25.
Go on, John.
I'm just letting him get a bit near in case I have one of my catastrophes. Right, I'm ready. Yeah?
Oh, it's cheating. It's going up past 16. 8, 9. Cut. Is he on 35?
He's on 6 times zoom.
Is he on 35 megahertz? I'm going to turn mine on. That's all switch on in the whole thing.
Have you got a chair for me to sit on?
Can you do something exciting, John? This is getting boring.
Don't let them put you off, you're doing well.
It's going to be between you and John.
It won't be between me and John. John's going to be winning that hands down, I can tell.
There should be a sort of a handicap system.
Yeah, like John don't play.
He's winning points. There's points being awarded for style here.
Wait till John's playing.
Yeah, I'm going to sit on it next time. You take me up with it.
We've decided, John, because it's
Stop there, Lee.
you've got to take one of the wings off.
Front one. Just ahead. Front one.
Just ahead by
Just
a
ahead,
what?
just a midge. By a midge. By a midge, yeah. 2 midge. There's another midge.
Just a midge ahead.
You did cut the motor, didn't you?
That's not going to come back. No points for landing off the
You land
field.
down there, you've had it.
If you don't land on the field, mate, no points, nil point.
Oh, you'll get down with that.
Hey?
Easy. Easy. Yeah, he has. He's got motor on, you cheating bugger.
He's timing over there.
He's using motor on it, you can't tell. You won't be able to tell on mine because you can't hear it.
We've got the crow braking now.
Really well done, bastard! Right, you ready? The wife's gonna say, what's that nice food?
Hey, he's here.
You might keep her off you.
Oh, this is the winner just arriving now.
Don't eat it either.
Underpants.
Don't get extra time for landing in the tree.
That's the main thing.
I've got it on, I had it on the...
Don't have a go, just have a fly around. Sorry. Can you edit the audio on that?
It's called banter, I'm going to keep it on. You ready, Steve?
We're ready? That's a wife for me. We've got 2 timekeepers, are we ready?
No, he's got one that'll do both.
Oh, bloody hell.
Come on, Pete.
Right, you ready?
No aerobatic this time.
8, 9, cut. Sorry. I have cut. Alright, that's okay. 11's alright. It'll do me.
No points for landing off the field.
I know. Nil what?
You lot will get me worried over there because I'm thinking it's perfectly all right. It'll get back easily. And I'm thinking, is it above the trees or isn't it?
Keep your speed up, Pete.
Right, battery, that's 2 tons,
8, 9,
11.2,
cut.
25 to 36.
And you're 15 in a tune pipe.
Yep.
I'm gonna lose that, aren't I? It's gonna climb like a ballistic missile, I think.
Well, that's the idea. The idea is to compete.
I think you've got a fair chance.
Your 10 seconds is up. You have to glide it now.
go from there if you want. Yeah. Whether I can keep up with this or not, I don't.
Diesel digs, one of his so-called gliders. Oh, bloody hell no.
What was that?
23.
The problem is, it won't turn round so well with the blinking, use the rudder, low rates. This is on the bloody
Just keep the speed up, don't slow it down too much.
Who was the last in? Nigel.
No, I was followed in.
Who followed you in?
Diesel Dave followed me in.
It's not a football.
Nice Jim, is it?
Hey. What is Jim in his
Hey!
Oh, hey, that was pretty good, that.
That's serious.
Probably.
Yeah.